Can I tell employees if a member of staff has been exposed to coronavirus? Relevant here, of course, is the Privacy Act, and an employee does have a reasonable expectation of privacy in regards to their health and the information they provide to an employer. There may be instances where employees are required to self-isolate and the employer can manage the workplace without disclosing the name of that individual employee. That would be the starting point. It would only be in situations where it was necessary to appropriately control that health and safety risk, that naming the employee was critical to that we would then recommend that the employer consult and agree with the employee about the fact that their name will be provided. And if agreement can't be reached, then an employer will ultimately need to make the decision if it is critical to name that employee in order to protect the remaining workforce. But we can imagine there'll be a number of scenarios where there may be someone self-isolate and there a section or an office that also self-isolates without actually having to name that employee.